In this problem, the sample space listing the 8 simple events that are possible when a couple has 3 children is boy, 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 girl, boy, and so on. After identifying the sample space for a couple having 4 children, we want to find the probability of getting 1 girl and 3 boys in any order. So, we'll start with finding our sample space, and the first child could be a boy or a girl. So I'm going to find the sample space by making a tree diagram. So if the first child is a boy, then the second child, again, can be a boy or a girl. And if the first child is a girl, the second one can be a boy or a girl. And then we keep doing that. So now for the third child, again, a boy or a girl, boy or girl, and so on. And finally, for the fourth child, again, they could have a boy or a girl, and we're assuming that that probability is the same for having a boy or a girl each time. And we're just going to squeeze those in. Okay, so now to find my sample space, I'm going to start with first child being a boy, second child being a boy, third being a boy, and fourth being a boy. So that gives me boy, 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 boy. So we finished with this boy, the fourth child, and now to find my second possibility, boy, 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 girl. And I'm really just doing this in order to keep track of what I've already done. So now, the third child being a boy, we're done with that. So next we go to boy, boy, girl, boy. And then boy, boy, girl, girl. And boy, boy, girl, girl. All right, so we've gotten this and this done, and the third child being a girl down that line is done. So that means that the second child being a boy, we're done with that for the first child being a boy. Okay, so now I'm going to find the next ones, and I'm just going to go ahead and write those out. This is not the only way to do this. I don't think this is the order that I listed them in. You'll see that on the next page. So the order within the sample space is not important, just the order within each individual possibility. Okay, so now we're done with the first child being a boy, and now we'll start with the girls. So, or the first child being a girl. So girl, boy, boy, boy. Let's see, keep track of this. And then we have girl, girl. And we end with girl, 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 girl. Okay, so that's our sample space for this particular problem. So I've got my sample space typed in, and now we want to find the probability of getting 1 girl and 3 boys in any order. So we know that there are 16 possibilities, and I look for any cases where there's 1 girl and 3 boys. And so I have that here, 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 and here, and there's 4 of those. So this is going to be 1 out of 4. And that's my final answer there. Let's see, it says type an integer or decimal, so it should be 0.25. And that's how you do that problem.